Hi, this is Rick Wooker, Product Manager at Boston Gear. Here today, we're going to talk about the SS700 Gen 2 product and how to install the closed cover in the field. These covers protect against potential food traps and rotating elements that pose hazards to operator safety. Once installed, these covers help achieve typical FSMA and OSHA regulations. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you to use the proper PPE and lockout-tagout procedures for your facility. Here are the tools you may find helpful for this installation. The SS700 Gen 2 gearbox contains 2 output oil seals on each side. In order to install the cover, we need to remove one of those output oil seals. There are several ways to do this, but one of the easiest, which is what I will demonstrate today, is to simply drill a small hole through the casing of that outer seal. We need to be careful not to damage or drill through the inner seal. Once we've drilled the hole through the outer oil seal, we need to use the puller tool to help us extract the oil seal from the housing bore. After the oil seal has been removed, please check and clean out any debris that may have fallen into the bore during this process. Next, we need to verify that we haven't damaged that inner seal or moved it. To do so, we're going to use our calipers and we're going to measure the depth of that oil seal in 4 places 90 degrees apart. This will help us verify the oil seal is still square in the bore. It's important for that oil seal to be square in the bore so that it seals properly and keeps the oil inside. Once we verify the oil seal is in good shape, we will install the cover. Verify the O-ring is in the proper location, align the cover with the bore, and then use the rubber mallet to drive it in until it contacts the face of the gearbox. Once we feel we've gotten it driven down all the way, look closely and verify it is making contact with the housing all the way around. That concludes the demonstration how to install the cover, but now we're going to go ahead and remove it. To do so, we're going to take a screwdriver against the shoulder and drive it out. This concludes the demonstration of how to install and remove the closed cover on a Gen 2 SS700 series worm gearbox. Thanks for joining us today.